How much is Xiaomi TV Stick? The Xiaomi TV Stick is a compact, budget-friendly streaming device that turns any regular TV into a smart TV. It provides access to various streaming platforms and features Android TV, making it a popular choice for users seeking an affordable way to upgrade their entertainment setup. First, Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, standard version. The standard Xiaomi Mi TV Stick supports 1080p resolution, Android TV OS, and offers access to popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. It also includes Google Assistant integration for voice search and control. The price for the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick typically ranges from $30 to $50, depending on the retailer and location. This model is an excellent choice for those looking for a simple and cost-effective solution to stream content in full HD. 2. Xiaomi Mi TV Stick with Google Assistant. The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick with Google Assistant provides all the essential features, including Android TV OS, built-in Chromecast functionality, and Bluetooth support for connecting wireless accessories. This version typically costs between $35 and $55. The device allows seamless control of compatible smart home devices, making it a convenient option for users already in the Google ecosystem. Third key features of Xiaomi TV Stick. The Xiaomi TV Stick offers a variety of features that contribute to its value. 1080p streaming, supports HD streaming, delivering crisp and clear visuals. Android TV integration, provides access to popular apps and services through the Google Play Store. Google Assistant support, allows voice control for easier navigation and smart home integration. Compact design, the slim, portable design makes it easy to carry and set up anywhere with an HDMI port. Fourth, factors affecting price. Several factors may influence the price of the Xiaomi TV Stick, model, and features. Prices vary depending on specific versions or bundles, such as models with added Google Assistant or special features. Retailer and region. Prices can fluctuate depending on location, availability, and any retailer-specific promotions. Promotions and sales. Prices may be reduced during major sales events or promotions, offering further discounts. In conclusion, the Xiaomi TV Stick provides an affordable and convenient way to access streaming services, with prices ranging from $30 to $55 depending on the model and features. It's a great choice for users who want a simple, budget-friendly solution to smart TV functionality.